Hello everybody, welcome to our Linux Rendezvous web YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Apache web server and how to activate it, and how to make your first web page. So let's go first in terminal, and we're gonna install Apache. So sudo pacman -s and Apache. So type yes, confirmation, and wait until it installs. And if we go to browser and try to go to localhost, as you can see, nothing gonna work. Actually, it needs to be yes. Nothing gonna work because second step, we need to activate our server. So if you go to the sudo systemctl and status and httpd, you can see it's enabled, but it's inactive, so it's not working. So let's activate it. So we're gonna type sudo system and then --now. So this is option will also enable it to start every time when you start your computer. So start and httpd. So let's check status. So now, as you can see, it's running. So, and if we go to our browser and refresh, as you can see, so make sure you type http without s, because we don't have security certificate. So as you can see, we see the empty folder, like representation of the folder. There is no files. So, and where this come from? So Apache server on Cache will look at the folder under srv, and then if you click http, so it's gonna look at this folder. So what we need to do is to go to this folder and create index.html file. So let's go back to terminal, and let's exit, and we're gonna go to cd /srv, and as you can see, there's http, but it has a root owner, so we're gonna change this. So sudo then ch own, and we're gonna change to our user, your current user. So $, and user with the capitals, and we're gonna do http. So, and again, and now if we look at the owner, so it's changed to Cache. So let's go back, let's go to this folder p, and we're gonna create the index.html file. So type nano index.html file, and I already copied some of the simplest HTML code. So we just and then we're gonna save it and exit it. So let's go back to our server, our browser, and refresh it. And now, as you can see, we have HTML file processed by our browser on our local web server. So this is it for today, for this video, and as you can see, our server working, and next video I'm gonna show you how to create few websites serving on one Apache web server. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Linux forever.